How'd you guys come up with these particular costumes?
I'm just a fan of Ben Riley.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You're the one? I'm just kidding. Very popular, actually. Very underrated. That's something I think I would have worn out in the 90s. Just to hang out.
I was just thinking at a 10.
Wants to take a picture.